Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
What's left today?
Wonderful, excellent, amazing, and you?
Okay, I'm fine, thank you. Let's open our study today by basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, before we start, I will call your name first. Okay, the first is Atta. Okay, Lisa. Okay, Rani. And then Olive.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Okay, before we study about our topic today, have you heard about or have you ever how to make a cup of coffee? Coba, ada yang udah tahu belum gimana sih cara bikin segelas kopi gitu? Udah ada yang tahu? Udah ada yang sering buat energen misalnya, atau bikin teh? Udah sering bikin mie? Sering bikin mie. Nah, apa yang kalian lakukan dalam keseharian kalian itu termasuk dari prosedur tes. Nah, how to make a noodle, gimana sih cara menyajikan noodle, how to serve noodle, gimana cara menyajikan mie. Nah, itu kalian biasanya lihat gak di belakang bungkus mie itu ada cara penyajian, ya nggak? Nah, itu adalah salah satu contoh juga dari prosedur teks. Nah, prosedur teks ini yang akan kita bahas. We will learn about prosedur teks today. Nah, what will we learn? The first is definition of procedure text. Nah, definisinya apa sih prosedur text itu? And then the second is the purpose of procedure text. Tujuan dari prosedur text. And then the third is the structure of procedure text. Iya, strukturnya apa aja nih? Terus language rules-nya, tata bahasanya apa aja yang digunakan di prosedur text. And then the last is discussion. Next. Nah, the definition of procedure text. Coba, Nisa, baca Nisa.
The definition of procedure text is a type of text that provides
Explanation,
information
or
explanation
to the reader
to the reader
on how to
read
create or use.
something.
Oke, or use something. Nah, di sini ada on how to create, bagaimana cara membuat atau menggunakan sesuatu. Nah, itu adalah definisi dari prosedur text. And then the purpose of procedure text atau tujuannya apa sih di sini adalah to illustrate how something is made. Gimana sih sesuatu itu dibuat, disajikan. Nah, itu adalah tujuan dari prosedur text. Okay, nice. And then structure. There are three parts or three structures of procedure text. The first is goal, and then the second is materials, and then the third is steps. Okay, nice. Goals itu adalah apa sih tujuannya, apa sih fungsinya? Nah, itu adalah bagian dari goals. Dan untuk materialsnya, apa aja sih bahan yang digunakan dari, misalnya tadi menyajikan mie, bahan-bahannya ada apa aja? Mie, jelas. Bumbu, terus air. Nah, alat yang digunakan untuk menyajikan mie, kompor, jelas. Panci, piring. Nah, itu masuk ke dalam material. And then for the last is steps. Nah, steps itu step by step atau cara-caranya, langkah-langkahnya yang kalian lakukan ketika serve noodle, cara menyajikan mie. Misalnya siapkan piringnya, masukkan bumbunya, rebus mie-nya. Nah, itu masuk ke dalam steps. Okay, nice. Then language rules of procedure text. Apa aja sih? Nah, di sini here are the language rules of procedure text. Tata bahasa yang digunakan adalah menggunakan simple present. Misalnya, please take the water, ambil air. And then please serve the plate, tolong sajikan piring. Nah, itu menggunakan simple present dan use of imperative sentence. Kata imperatif tuh please atau perintah. Nah, itu imperatif. Gimana? Paham sampai sini? Paham ya? Okay. Now let's discuss with your group. I will divide you for 3 groups. Nah, Have you discussed with your friend?
Yes, I am.
Zita.
I am from the Facebook group and I will give the tips about several ways to make your coffee super healthy.
Okay.
Coffee is one of the most popular beverages in the world. I will share a few tips to make your coffee as useful for your body health.
Okay, very fun.
No coffee after 2 p.m. Do not load your coffee with sugar.
Okay.
Use a cool
Quality.
blend,
Okay.
preferably organic. Avoid drinking too much. Add some cinnamon to your coffee. Avoid low fat and artificial creamers. Add some chocolate to your coffee. Layer your coffee using a filter.
Okay, and then you discuss with your group several ways to make your coffee super healthy. Okay, nice, good job. Discuss with your friend.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
I am from the second group. I will share about how to make a cup of tea. Ingredients: water, tea bag, sugar or honey, milk, and lemon. Equipment: kettle or pot, cup or mug, and spoon.
Okay, nice.
Instruction:
Instruction.
boil water, prepare the cup, pour
Pour
water, steep the tea, add sweetener and milk, remove the tea bag, and stir and enjoy.
Enjoy. Okay, and then for add sweetener and milk is optional, is it right? Right. Okay, nice. And then your group discuss about how to make a cup of tea. Okay, nice. Good job. It's a nice discuss. And then for the first group tadi apa judulnya?
Several ways to make your coffee super healthy.
Okay, super healthy. And then the second group?
How to make a cup of tea.
Okay, how to make a cup of tea. That's really good. Kalian udah belajar tentang prosedur like how to make a cup coffee, how to make a tea super healthy. Nah, that's nice. Coba ada yang mau buat kesimpulan about what will we learn today? Okay, it's your turn.
I am from grade group. I
Okay.
will make the conclusion from our study today.
Mm-mm.
Procedure type is a type of text that provides explanation, information, or assistance to the user on how to create or use something.
Okay, create or use
Something.
something. Okay, and then for the structure.
The structure of the procedure text
Consists
consists
of
of three parts.
three
Parts.
parts. Okay, the first is
Article, materials, and step.
oke. Tadi apa namanya? Ada 3 strukturnya. Yang pertama tadi ada goal, and then
Material,
and then
step.
step. Okay, that's nice. I think you have known about the procedure. Nice. Okay, I think enough for our lesson today. Let's close by hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil